friend of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. Firstly, just go into settings and tap on display and brightness. Following that, tap on this switcher next to auto brightness feature, and as you can see, adaptive brightness is now enabled. If you wish to disable it, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just go into tab menu and click on this little icon next to brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!